In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage on Exness. If you want to update the leverage settings for one of your trading accounts, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. Just make sure you're changing the setting on the correct account, since each trading account can have its own configuration. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your accounts, settings, and other account-related options. Once you're logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so all account controls are visible. Next, click on My Accounts. This section shows the trading accounts connected to your profile, and it's where you can manage account-specific settings like leverage. If you have more than one account, take a second to identify the exact one you want to modify before moving forward. Now, locate the specific trading account you want to change. This part is important, especially if you use separate accounts for different strategies or instruments. Double check the account details so you don't accidentally update the wrong one. After that, click the three-dot icon, or in some layouts, the gear icon next to that account. This opens the account options menu. From there, look for the setting labeled Adjust Leverage and click on it. That will take you to the leverage adjustment window for that particular account. Once the leverage settings appear, choose your desired leverage from the drop-down menu. You'll usually see a list of available leverage options, so select the one that matches your trading needs. It's a good idea to review your choice carefully here, since leverage directly affects both potential profit and potential risk. When you've made your selection, click Save. After that, a confirmation prompt may appear, and you'll need to click Confirm to finalize the change. This extra confirmation helps make sure the update is intentional. Once confirmed, your leverage settings should be updated for that account. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or reopen the account settings to verify that the new leverage has been applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the leverage on Exness. As a final tip, always review leverage changes carefully before saving, especially if you're actively trading, because even a small adjustment can affect margin requirements and overall exposure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.